Is your Fire Stick remote blinking orange? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the remote batteries. Ensure that the batteries in your remote are fresh. The Fire Stick remote uses Bluetooth, draining batteries faster than standard remotes. Replace the batteries if they are old or depleted. Once you have replaced the batteries, check if this works. Method 2. Move the TV closer. Make sure your TV is not far away from the remote. Move your remote closer to your device. The devices should be within 10 feet or 3 meters. Other electronic devices, metal objects, or even thick walls can interfere with the signal. So, remove any object in between the devices and check if that works. Method 3. Pair the remote. When the orange light blinks on your Fire Stick remote, it mostly suggests that your Fire TV remote isn't paired. Restart your Fire TV device and wait for the "cannot detect your remote" message to appear on the screen. Once you see the message, press and hold the home button on the remote for 10 seconds to pair it again. Method 4. Reduce interference. Sometimes the connected Bluetooth devices can interfere with the device and cause such issues. Ensure that there are no other Bluetooth devices nearby that might interfere with the connection. Turn off any unnecessary Bluetooth devices. Once done, check if this could fix the issue. Method 5. Use an HDMI extender. If your Fire Stick is plugged directly into the back of your TV, it might be too close to the TV's body, which can interfere with the remote signal. Using an HDMI extender can help position the Fire Stick in a better location. Method 6. Reset the Fire TV remote. The next thing you can do is reset the Fire TV remote. Unplug your Fire TV from the power supply and HDMI input. Then wait 60 seconds. Press and hold the left, menu and back buttons simultaneously for about 12 seconds. Release the buttons and wait 5 seconds. Remove the batteries from your remote. Plug in your Fire TV and wait until you see the screen indicating the remote can't be detected. Reinsert the batteries into your remote. Press the home button on the remote. Your remote should now be paired. If not, press the home button for 10 seconds. Method 7. Use the Fire TV app. If the remote still doesn't work, you can use the Fire TV app on your smartphone as a temporary remote. If these steps does not resolve the issue, you might need to contact Amazon support for further assistance. And there you have it, the ways to fix the issue when Fire Stick remote is blinking orange. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.